I've become somewhat enlightened about the tax, how it's assessed, how it was passed in 2009, and so forth. And upon initial consideration, I felt that it was certainly worthy of drafting and filing a bill to look at repealing or modifying that tax because of the nature of the tax.
I asked for the opportunity to testify today because I thought it would help the committee to hear from someone that actually paid the Tennessee privilege tax professional athlete. For all practical purposes, that's what it is, an income tax. I was not taxed because I chose to work in Tennessee. I was not taxed because I was licensed in Tennessee by a state regulatory body. I was not taxed because the skills for which I was employed could potentially put others at risk, such as a dentist, a doctor, or a lawyer. And most importantly, I was not taxed like other professionals. I was taxed because I was paid to play a hockey game in Nashville at the direction of my team. That's not a privilege tax, that's an income tax. I understand that some may believe taxing professional athletes is fair because the salaries are so large. And I'm not here to tell you that hockey players don't make a good living. But not all hockey players are created equal. The average career of an NHL hockey player is 3 years. He has 3 years to make what another professional will make in 20 to 30 years. He certainly cannot make a living from his life's work if the state is forcing him to pay to play in a game.
And Tennessee has worked very hard to build that reputation as being a good state to do business in. I think that's shown by all the successful plants we've recruited and all the businesses we've retained, and all the business leaders who've invested in the Grizzlies and the Predators and their businesses and what they represent. And they're some of our best ambassadors to recruit other business in the state of Tennessee. And to take this and undermine it and yank it off the table so that Kobe Bryant in California and Carmelo Anthony in New York and the Make Believe Sports Network, which is owned by jointly by Rogers Corporation and Bell Canada, which are 20 to 30 billion dollar company valuations. It seems like we're harming ourselves in order to help folks who are benefiting from being here, from playing here, from broadcasting games from here, and profiting from being in town and doing business in Tennessee.